Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to learn about verbs. As we know that a noun is a person, place or thing. Verbs are the words that tell us what those nouns do. See the definition. A verb is a word that shows an action. What is verb? A verb is a word that shows the action. For example, eat, run, sleep, dance, sing, carry, play, swim. These are verbs. So, verbs are called doing words as well as action words. See some example. A man is reading. Here, reading shows that what the man is doing. So, reading is the doing word. So, in this sentence, a man is reading. Reading is the verb. Next, a boy is playing. Here, playing shows that what the boy is doing. So, here, again, playing is the doing word. Hence, playing is the verb here. See, Bunny is eating a carrot. Here, eating is the verb. Why? Because eating shows that what the bunny is doing. Eating is the doing word. That's why eating is the verb here. Similarly, a man is drinking coffee. Here, drinking shows that what is the man doing. That's why drinking is the doing word. So, here drinking is the verb. Similarly, here a girl is running. What is the verb here? Yes, running is the verb here because it shows what the girl is doing. Next thing is a bird is flying. Here flying is the verb. Next, we are going to see the helping verbs. Sometimes we use more than one word to show action. Those words are called helping words. What are them? They are is, am, are. Is, am, are called helping verbs. See, is used for singular number. That means one. For example, he is a boy. She is running. Here, is the verb. Or is used for plural number, many. Example, they are boys. They are running. See, we use am along with I. For example, I am a boy. I am running. So, next one is verb is very important in a sentence because see this example. Bunny and Cookie cricket. Is this sentence has any meaning? No, because this sentence does not make any sense. If we add a verb play, as Bunny and Cookie play cricket, then only the sentence gets complete. So, a verb is very important in a sentence. Without it, the sentence does not make any sense. So far we see that verbs, helping verbs. What are verbs? It is action words. Verbs are nothing but action words or doing words. Example, write, stand, walk, play. Also, if we say like writing, standing, walking, playing, those words are called main verbs. See here, what are helping verbs? Is, am, are. See, as we already see that the helping verbs are is, am, are. See the example, he is writing. They are writing. Am writing. If singular we use is, plural means we use are. If we use I along with am. So far what we had learned, verbs, helping verbs as well as main verbs. Verbs means action words, doing words. Helping verbs means is, am, are. Then what is mean by main verbs? See the sentence. He is writing. Here is means helping verbs. Writing means main verbs. Like that, standing, walking, playing means those words are called main verbs. Jazakala students.